In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 340 by 5 using the long division method. See that 3 is less than 5. That is why we will consider the number 34. We know that 5 times 6 is 30. Subtract, we get 4. Now 4 is also less than 5. That is why in this case we will bring down this 0 here. Now we know that 5 times 8 is 40. Subtract, we get 0. As we have no number to bring down here and got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 340 divided by 5 is equal to 68. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.